Good afternoon, good evening, good morning, wherever you are. This is Mr. Shakespeare again with you on the 3rd of March, 2023. I'm here with Psychic Medium and a remote viewer, Liz Cross. How are you doing today, Liz?
Good, thank you.
Okay, so this is a follow on from yesterday, and we didn't have time to do these 4, so we've got 4 more to do today. I think a couple of them went on a bit yesterday. Got distracted. Right, this is the S&P 500, Standard & Poor 500. So I need you to get hold of investing.com and take it out till the end of the month, please.
Okay, so investing.com. Okay, March 31st, 2023, 6 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. What would you like to know?
So currently the price of the S&P 500 is 39.81. At the end of the month, is it higher or lower than 39.81?
Is it higher or lower than 39.81? Is it higher or lower? Is that dollar? 3? What is that?
Yeah, dollar.
It's lower.
Okay. What week in March is the lowest point? Is it the first week, the second week, the third week, or the fourth week?
No, the second week. Second going into the third.
Overall, is the month bearish or bullish, would you say? Sorry, overall, has the month been bearish or bullish?
Overall, has the month been bullish or bearish? Bearish.
Okay. There you go.
Ooh, oh my goodness.
Second, I think that's a hit on everyone there that you just said, because
wow.
you said lower by the end of the month. The transits will be lower by the end of the month, correct? You said second going into the third will be the lowest, correct again, 16th, 17th going into that. Yeah, the transits are the lowest. Overall, is the sentiment bullish or bearish? You said bearish, and I would say, yeah, I would agree with that. There's more negative transits than there are positive. So,
wow, it's not looking good for the stock market this month. It really isn't.
And this is the S&P 500. So this is the top stocks on the New York Stock Exchange. This is not NASDAQ and tech. This is just your regular stocks, you know.
Wow. You know, this is exactly what I thought would happen. Okay, let me just tell you. You know, when we jumped into the new year and suddenly, you know, everybody's throwing money into the stock market, things are going green, everything's looking good. This is going to be our year of recovery. This is going to be it. We're done with the recession. And I knew every time I heard those words that it was wrong. I knew it was faltopium. I knew it. And I thought, no, because consistently we have gotten that it's flat. And people need to understand how the tax system works, right? Particularly with America. And I have learned from doing this that in December, in December, people start what they call, I'm talking about big investors, not small time people, you know, $5 in Tesla, whatever. I'm talking about people that know how to work the tax system. And what they do is they look at their stocks at the end of the year, and the failed stocks right? Or the low performing stocks where they've had losses from when they bought in, they do what is called tax harvesting. So there's always a sell off, right? And the second January 1st rolls around, what do? They reinvest because they're wanting to claim those losses on their taxes for that current tax year. As soon as January 1st rolls around, guess what? They start throwing their money back in. Now you're talking about millions and millions and millions of people that do this. And so, excuse me, I was very surprised when I heard even some of the most educated people in the field, gung-ho about 2023. And I think we've had our run. I really do. I don't think, and we'll have to do this on a month-to-month basis, but I really don't think that we're going to see another bumper crop until after the summer. We may have little bits and bobs here and there, but nothing, where it's running, for several days or maybe even a couple of weeks, not until after the summer. I really feel that. So this is very telling. Wow. Anything you want to add, Mr. Shakespeare?
No, I think we've covered it all.
Great. Well, I love these charts. And again, if anybody wishes to give Mr. Shakespeare a tip, please look on the comments. His little crypto tip jar is listed down there. You just copy and paste the wallet address. So if you want to pay in like Bitcoin, every penny is gratefully received. So anyway, this is great. Thank you very much, Mr. Shakespeare. I love these charts. I love them. They're so much fun.